Okay, so now we're looking at figure number 2. And the thing to remember here is that since we only have one outcrop, meaning one column, we don't really need to worry about the criteria of it being widespread. We don't have another outcrop to compare it to. However, what we do need to look at is the criteria of something being short-lived. When we say something being short-lived, we mean that that index fossil lives in how many different layers? In one layer, in two layers, in three layers, so on and so forth. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through each fossil, A, B, C, D, E, and F, and you're going to tell me what layers that fossil exists in. Now here you see these numbers. I've kind of outlined for you, geez, that's so annoying, how many layers you should be able to find that fossil in. So let's do letter A together, fossil A together. It's this picture here. So we can find that in which two layers? If you look at the picture, we start at the bottom. I can see it here in layer 2, and I can see it here in layer 3. I do not see fossil A in any other layer. So you would list letters or number layers 2 and 3 here for number 1. Okay, and then you continue to do that for B, C, D, E, and F. So when you get to number question 7 here, you have to indicate which one is the index fossil. So which fossil, A, B, C, or D, E, or F, was found in was widespread, or I'm sorry, was short-lived. Okay. Then you also have to do questions 8 and 9. Number 8 is the longest lived fossil, was which fossil and what layer was it found in, meaning the fossil was in the most layers and how many layers it was found in. And then you're going to determine the age of the fossils. So you're going to start from the youngest fossil, which would be at the top, right? Which would be fossil what? Be fossil F here, the shell, and go down to the oldest fossil, all the way down to layer 1. So you can see in layer 9 here, or layer 10, it's the shell. 9 is still the shell. So you don't get a new fossil until layer 8. So the shell is the oldest, and then you get to fossil E, which would be younger than fossil F. Okay, I hope that makes sense.